Shellfish. Oh, I don't want to touch it. Hey, what are you doing? It's like 5 in the morning. What are you doing?
Making toys.
Making toys? What do you mean? What do you mean?
I'm making toys, see?
You mean action figures?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for you to, like, when you get bored. Understandable.
They're done.
Show me both of them.
I'm making up a name for him. His name's gonna be Tiny Head. His name's gonna be Tiny Head Junior.
Nice. Okay. Aha. Hey, you asleep? It's still early in the morning. I think it's a good idea to go back to sleep too. Night.
Why are you standing up?
I can't sleep.
Here's some sleep medicine, man.
No, it's early in the morning. I want to get up. This is when I do my hog hunting.
Oh yeah, this is when I go fishing. Oh. What time is it? That's not fun. Another catfish? I wish I had more dogfish. Or pigfish, that's better. What? Those people in buckets.
Hey. What's up? What are you doing?
Don't touch them, they're fighting.
Yeah.
They're fighting.
The catfish and the dogfish?
Yeah, they're fighting.
Yeah.
Because the dogs don't like cats.
Yeah, but the cats will scratch them up.
Yeah. I think their dogfish are dead.
Uh-oh. Hey, dead meat. So good.
And the catfish are dead. Only one.
They killed each other.
Hey, only one's alive. And that's this dogfish.
You want me to kill it?
No.
It's gonna end up dying anyway.
I got another dogfish. Got it. I got 2 at a time. That's not just now. I got a whole bunch. I got one.
Yeah, let's go back to the campsite.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
We have a whole bunch. Ow, one bit me. Ow. You saw my stomach stretching out moving. This stuff was hitting a little bit. And that was kind of not dead. Do you have any breath in?
I gotta go get my gun, okay? I gotta shoot these things. They're not dying. Yeah, I'm gonna be shooting these flying dogfish. They're out of control.
Another vegetable.
Another vegetable?
cream corn, you soon will be mine. Oh, sounds like it's done. Oh, I keep on stepping on fish. What are you doing?
I'm killing fish. For us to eat, man. You want to eat and divide? Wait, step right here. There's no fish right here.
I'm trying to enjoy my cream corn.
Oh. What are you doing, man?
Enjoying some creamed corn.
I guess more fish. That's the last one, I think.
Dang it, it's all out.
That's not it. This is the last one right over there. That's the last one. That's the last one.
Hey,
Yeah?
didn't you notice it's actually a sunny day on Rainforest Island?
I think I have fish for us to eat. Want to help?
Nah, just kidding, okay.
Pick up a whole bunch and then throw it in. Here's a party that we haven't even did. We're done. Yeah, grab this side. It's going to be hard for us to lift.
Whew.
Look how we're going to cook some fish breast.
Yeah.
Eat up. We have to take the rest, man.
Fine.
Take the rest.
Fine.
That's it. That's where I'm going to put one for you. Come here. Man. I put all the fish in here for us to eat. Man.
I'm so hungry.
Eat some cream corn, your favorite. Your favorite? Ugh. I'm gonna get this like a corn for me. Look at that. A fish. Okay.
What are you doing?
Use some green corn. It's all gone, but I'm gonna use it out.
I'm not shooting you.
It kind of did. Oh, it's another pack. Oh, it's okay for you, man. Man, this is gonna be up here. Yeah. Hey, man.
You're gonna sleep up there?
Yeah. We can take that little box to sleep.
Good night, man.
Good night. Brother.
Over there. Just ignore it for tonight.
But I can't sleep without it.
Go get it.
Fine.
Hey.
keep my umbrella with me just in case. Even at night, just in case it rains. And I sleep with it. Love my umbrella. So good night.
Oh, good night.
I need to go to the bathroom. I need to go to the bathroom before. Night. Good night. Then do you have to go to the bathroom?
Rise and shine, sunshine. It's actually a bright day. Maybe this week it's all sun.
Yeah, it's gonna be sweet.
That would be great. Come on, let's go. You got fishing to do, and I got walnut picking to do.
Alright. Let's go. Oh, the shoe come out. Going. Oh, this was heavy. Man, I wish you could help me while he's doing stuff.
Oh! You need help?
Yes, pull this string and I'll do this. Watch out!
Dude, this thing's a monster. There's no way we can pick this up.
Get your safe gloves on.
Okay.
And go back, because that's where his tail is, to his legs.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
This thing's a monster.
Come on. I can't take it much longer. This thing is so big, it makes me sound like I'm constipated.
Oh, I can jump. No, don't. Don't step on it. It's a pokey. Jump it, jump over it. Okay, step on the safe shoes.
Get him on.
I need to eat some fish. Set the rest. There's only up to here now. Here's one.
Oh,
Here's one.
cream corn.
Yeah, man. Push over back.
Cream corn. Love you.
I got like this towel of fish. That's it. And then got this